President Emerson Mnangagwa said the United States dollar would cease to be legal tender in 2023 and would be replaced by the ZiG. Achipere mushamuri weZimbabwe sanapinda mashoko atakwa naED Mnangagwa taura mashoko ekuti aiwa achithreatena kuti ada kubhana ma-US dollar kushandiswa kunyika yeZimbabwe. Kundobva wasubscribe like utina on the bell icon. Tipinda muZimbabwe anyora achiti this contracts with Mnangagwa's state announcement in October 2023 when he extended the multi-currency regime by 5 years until 2030. That move was seen as an effort to allay growing concerns about looming challenges to Zimbabwe's current policy. Speaking in Mutare during commissioning of a new fruit juice and water processing plant, Mnangagwa indicated that the exclusive use of the ZiG may happen sooner than the 2030 timeline, he said. In 2 years, in fact, 2 years is too far off, but there will come a time when our ZiG currency is fully penetrated the market. Then I will give a directive that the country will be using the ZiG only. Ndo mashukani atakwa nemutungamiri wenyika achiti aiwa there will come a time yekuti tichastopa tichamisa kuti US dollar rirege kushanda toshandisa currency yedu yakabhekewa nemaminerals emunyika medu. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pe-announcement ayo yakaitwa naED Mnangagwa ayo kwamutare paicommissiona a new fruit plant. Aiwa muri Zimbabwe tudze mafungiro enyu pinai comment section medu, so no subscribe kulike chinotina on the bell icon.